saturated fat, which should be below 3 grams per 100 grams to be a healthy choice. There is also the carbohydrates and the fibre. Having 3 grams or more is a healthy choice for fibre. Now the sugars. You don't have to avoid these all the time, just large amounts of them. I'd be worried if there was more than 15 grams or more per 100 grams. Lastly, the sodium, or the salt. The less salt, the better. So remember my tricks to knowing the difference between healthy options and treats. Less than 10 grams fat total. More than 3 grams fibre is great. Avoid large amounts of sugar. And the less salt, the better. The best way to compare nutritional information panels is to look at the 100 grams per serve column. After that, you want to compare the total fat, saturated fat, dietary fibre or just the fibre section, or the sodium. Comparing these sections will be the easiest way for you to figure out which nutritional information column is the healthiest choice. Now that we have looked at the nutritional information panel, click the icon